Today we're going to be looking at a power station by Bateria. So let's open it up and get to it. So we have a box here. This is probably going to be all your adapters. We have a very nice carrying case here. And we have our wall adapter, as well as a cigarette lighter for your car to charge. This wall adapter is 20 volts, 5 amps. We also get a user guide. And we have the power station itself. And as you can see, we have a nice little black and green themed power station. So this unit here has a battery capacity of 568 watt hours. It weighs in at 5.4 kilograms. The size is 275 millimeters by 170 millimeters by 215 millimeters. This unit has a DC input port of 20 volt 5 amps, and it also has a vehicle charging port of 12 volt 8 amps. This unit also has an AC output capable of 600 watts and 1000 watts peak. It has USB output ports. It has a 5 volt 2.4 amp, a quick charge 18 watt, and a USB-C 65 watt. This is a lithium battery technology. It can do 800 charge cycles, and it also has a 1-year warranty. And taking a look at the front of the unit, we have our on-off. This is going to show us our state of charge. We have our input wattage, our output wattage, as well as our 60 hertz. We have our on-off for our DC connection side, and we have a on-off for the inverter. Now, as soon as you turn it on, the fan kicks on for a second, and then it pretty much goes off until you put a load on. For our outputs, we have our AC, we have our USB 18 watt, USB-C 65 watt, 5 volt 2.4 amp, and our USB on-off button. And as you can see on the display, it shows that the USB is now on. We have a 5.2 barrel plug at 8 amps. These are shared, as well as this one. And we have our cigarette lighter output. And this is going to be our input, 12 or 24 volt input. This is where you're going to plug in your charging adapter to your home or to some solar panels. Okay, let's test the pure sine wave inverter. So we're going to press the AC on. All right, now that is a pure sine wave inverter, and we can see here we have 113.9 volts at 59 hertz, which is perfect for all of your electronics. Okay, now here I have a AC monitoring device. This is going to show me my amps and my watt hours, and we're going to check the efficiency of the inverter. Now I'm already drawing 91 milliamps, and that is due to the TV that is plugged in on standby consumption. So I'm going to turn the TV on now, and you can see the draw ramping up. And I'm also going to turn on a fan. Okay, the fan is running, and we are less than 1 amp and under 100 watts, so I need to increase the power a little bit. Okay, I have 3 fans plugged in, as well as the TV, and we are now drawing 112 amps. So I'm going to let this run until it's dead, and then we'll see what the results are. All right, looks like the test is complete. We have 525 watt hours, and the test results are in. We have 525 watt hours at a 568 watt hours. Which means that the inverter in this unit is about 92% efficient, which is pretty good for a small unit like this. Okay, I'm going to perform a heat soak test. So what I'm going to do is, this space heater uses right around 600 to 700 watts on low. So I'm going to run this unit and see how long it can run for. I'm going to try for 5 minutes or until the inverter shuts down. And here we go. Okay, so we're getting just up above the 600 watts of this unit. It's actually taking a little bit of time for this watt meter to catch up. Oh, we have a beep. Oh, and there we go. We have 1 minute. We had a icon on there that showed that we are over our capacity. So we were able to run it at about, I would say, 700 watts for about 1 minute. So next, let's talk about charge time. For the standard wall outlet, you can charge this unit in about 7.5 hours. With the cigarette adapter in your car, you can charge this in about 9 hours. And if you're using a 100-watt solar panel, you can charge this in roughly 10 hours. So all in all, this is a great little unit. You could power a mini fridge with this unit. You can also power things like a TV, your laptop, anything under 600 watts. I definitely recommend this power station. Check out Bateria. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.